Appa sighs. In religious matters only. He will arrange your adoption by a Devadasi who is childless and has no daughter to whom she can pass on the tradition. She and your dance master will teach you all you need to know. Would I live here, then, and visit my teacher? It will be the other way around. But Ganesh needs me. He will have a new mother since I am to marry. My lashes are not strong enough to catch the runaway tear. Appa holds out his arms and I go to him. You shall be a most auspicious woman, my child. You will dance the sacred rituals in the temple. You will be honored with gifts of gold and cattle and land. None but a Devadasi can walk about in the village. You will be able to visit us here at any time. You will not marry any mortal man, so you will never be a widow. You, my dear Saraswati, shall marry God.